This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Jessica Richard. Welcome to this charming older home nestled in a tranquil neighborhood, awaiting your personal touch to bring it back to its full potential. This timeless residence offers a perfect canvas for renovation enthusiasts seeking to create their dream abode. Upon entering, the spacious living area invites cozy gatherings around the fireplace, while large windows flood the space with natural light. The well-loved kitchen, with its classic charm, presents an opportunity for a modern makeover. Imagine crafting culinary delights in a space tailored to your tastes and preferences. This home features 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, providing ample space for comfortable living. The bedrooms offer cozy retreats, each with its unique character awaiting your personal design flair. Downstairs you will find a spacious laundry room and extra storage, along with a huge rec room with a wood-burning fireplace. Another perfect gathering place for friends and family. Outside, a generous 1.2-acre yard beckons for outdoor entertainment and relaxation. Create your oasis amidst mature trees and lush greenery. The new deck is perfect for outdoor dining or a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The huge 20 by 40 in-ground pool is waiting to be the highlight of your new oasis once brought back to life. Conveniently located between Halls and Fountain City, this property offers the ideal blend of tranquility and accessibility. With a little vision and TLC, this home has the potential to become a cherished haven for years to come. Don't miss the opportunity to make this diamond in the rough shine once again. Embrace the possibilities and make this house your own. For more information, review